Welcome back to my channel. Remember to love yourself, and I'm sharing this little secret with you today.
Hello everybody, I am Estefany and I'm here today to share with you a recipe that I've been using for many years, even after I had my kids, and it has helped me so much. I lost weight, I was able to control my hunger, it made me feel better throughout my periods. It's so amazing and I feel compelled to share this with all of you today. So if you're interested in feeling better and losing weight and having better periods and controlling, suppressing your hunger, then stay with me. So as far as the ingredients, very simple. Like I said, 2 ingredients. I have cinnamon sticks and I have ginger. And optional, you can use a lemon. So as far as the cinnamon sticks, you can use any brand you like. I went for the Badia. I usually buy this brand at my Spanish supermarket, so you can use any brand you prefer. I personally like this, and the quality is decent and it's affordable, so I just went for this one. And as far as the ginger, same thing. I went to my Spanish supermarket and I got fresh ginger, and that's about it. Make sure that you slice it.
I know that this is just ginger and cinnamon sticks, but when I tell you this is so effective, these 2 ingredients are amazing, and I've been using this, like I said, for so many years. Try it, you're not going to regret it. It's something super simple. So this will be the way you're gonna slice your ginger. You wanna make sure that it gives all the essence. Once you slice it, you're gonna take the cinnamon sticks and you're gonna boil this in about 8 cups of water. And I use 4 ounces of ginger and about 5-6 sticks of cinnamon. Boil it until you see changing into a brownish color. It's gonna be a little spicy, so it depends how strong you want this flavor. It's optional. And once ready, you can serve it as a warm tea, or you can do it as an iced tea. Squeeze your lemon and enjoy. You are going to see your body change.